In early 2026, the global market started sending these huge signals that something was fundamentally changing.
First, gold just went ballistic. It absolutely shattered its all-time high after a crazy surge.
Then, silver, its industrial twin, blasted right past that $100 mark for the very first time.
And get this, Shanghai went wild. A $5 trillion metals frenzy in just 1 month. Yeah, this wasn't just the big players. Everyday investors piled in, driven by some serious FOMO.
So this isn't just random market action. It's a silent war. But what's the fight really about?
Well, analysts are calling it the Great Re-Anchoring, and it's a serious global power shift.
Simply put, it's a huge pivot away from paper promises to actual physical stuff you can hold.
And this kind of lays out the two sides. The US has the paper, China is hoarding physical assets.
So the first battlefield, it's all about money itself, and central banks have the weapons.
And just look at this. China's been quietly selling off US debt, now at a 16-year low.
The whole point is to build a financial system that's, well, basically sanctions-proof.
So where is all that cash going? Straight into gold. Central banks are buying like crazy. And they're not slowing down. They're forecasted to snap up another 800 tons this year alone.
Okay, now for battlefield number 2, technology. And this one might be even more critical.
The US made a big move, banning advanced AI chip exports to try and kneecap China's tech growth.
But China's countermove was brilliant, controlling the very minerals you need to make those chips. And that's China's ace in the hole, a complete choke point on some of the world's most critical minerals.
So what's the result of all this? We're heading into what you might call a bifurcated world.
You have one block that runs on the dollar and another that's built on raw materials and manufacturing.
Which really leaves us with one massive question about where the real power lies from here on out.
If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. And make sure to click the playlist up here to catch up on any concepts you might have missed.